joining me again. Today's video is about a bit of an update about what's been going on with me, with the cars, and my new car. So let me begin. So in my last video, I said to you guys, I made a few changes. So the Mondeo ST is now gone. The Audi S3 is now gone. They've all been sold off. I now own a VW Caddy van and my new 335 twin turbo diesel BMW E92 coupe. Right, so let me begin with why I've got a van. So some of you may have known, I was previously in an office job, and so yeah, I've left that and now I've gone into mobile mechanics. So now I've got a van loaded with everything I need, and I go out doing jobs for people. So that's where I am with that. The S3's gone, something better came along. So this is my 335 twin turbo diesel E92 coupe. To least to say, not completely standard. It's running close to 400 horsepower. Not proven on dyno sheet, so that's something I will be getting on there. But I'll tell you one thing, it's bloody fast. It's got DPF deletes. I think it's got hybrid turbos the way they kick in, but again, I need to get all that confirmed because it didn't come with much paperwork. It's been mapped up pretty well. The gearbox has been mapped. It's quicker than any E46 M3 I ever had, so I can vouch for that. So anyway, so yeah, so I'll be doing another video on this car separately, but today's video is the leather seats in the actual car are a little bit dirty, being cream leather. So I'm going to be reviewing the Autoglym Leather cleaner on the actual seats. So basically, procedure of this is that you spray it on, wipe it in with a dry cloth, leave it for a few minutes, and then get a damp cloth and wipe it clean, and the dirt should just lift out. So I'm going to split the seat into two with a bit of tape, so you can see a before and after. Okay, so that's all this video is about. Just to add, the Mercedes CLC that I was repairing, which was like 90% complete, is now also been sold. I could not for the life of me find a bonnet for it, and it was just sitting there taking up space, and I wasn't about to shed out £600-700 for a bonnet because it doesn't make sense. Still sold it for a good price, so that's gone now. So we're going to be doing a bit of work to this car. Need to refurb the wheels, etc. Do things like that. Probably lower it, get some different wheels on it. I'm not sure yet. So that's where I am with that at the moment. I will be talking more about what I do as mobile mechanics, integrating that maybe with the YouTube channel. So I'm not sure how that's going to play a part yet. So let's get onto the seats, guys. And yeah, I mean, I'll show you how dirty they are. They're not massively dirty, but for a car that's 56, 57 plate, they're not in too bad condition. So let's move over to the driver's seat. Right, guys. So that's the condition of the seats, right? Not ripped or anything like that. A little bit worn, but it's done about 130k. So if you look closely here, stitching, a few nicks here and there, handbrake gaiters. It's just stuff like that. Nothing that can't be cleaned. Okay, you can see just for getting in and out of the car. Other than that, let's give you a little tour inside the car. It's pretty nice in here. Okay, paddle shifts, F1 shifts. It's got the iDrive. It's a pretty nice car. Sounds nice. Goes really well. Okay. It's got all the nav, the screen, it's got the auxiliary, it's got DAB radio. So yeah, very nice car. Much prefer it over the S3, and a lot quicker. So let's go onto these seats, guys. Okay guys, so I'm hoping you can see this. I think you can. Right, I've just put a bit of clear tape in the middle because I don't know where my masking tape's gone. So I'm going to clean this side of the seat, then lift it off, and then you should, if this type of product is good, be able to see the difference. So I've done a quick hoover. So literally what you do. Right, I've got my dry cloth here. And I've done loads of reviews myself on this, and you know, people swear by it, so I'm not even pushing too hard. All I'm doing is just literally massaging it in. But I don't know if you guys can, but I can see the difference already. I'm just going to get a bit more on a cloth and then see how it looks. Alright. Jesus, this stuff's is really good. Like I said, I hope you guys can see this. I've not even done the wipe on it yet. So when you actually do a wipe, it's supposed to lift all the dirt out. Make sure you get all within the creases and the stitching. That's where most of the dirt builds up. Just going to do this bit here. Well, I'm guessing on a black interior you won't notice too much because obviously you don't see the dirt, but something like this, Jesus, it's looking alright already. Right, that's enough scrubbing on that. All I'm going to do is get a damp cloth and then do a wipe. Okay guys, so I have my damp cloth now. I'm just going to, it's just about wiping the residue off really. Feels a little bit sticky at the moment. Alright, ready for this? Right, I don't know how much of that you can see. But can you see that dirt patch there? That's where it's the dirtiest compared to that. Let me just move the camera. Right, so here we have it. That's not a shadow, just in case you're wondering. That's literally how clean it is compared that to that. Okay, I'm gonna just look at the difference that makes. I'm gonna just move it around just so you can see it's not the shadow. Right, so I'm gonna stick it on a time lapse. I'm gonna do the whole seat, and then you can tell me what you think. Right guys, so that's clean. Probably not as clean as I like it because I haven't scrubbed hard enough, but you can see the difference on the seat, right? As opposed, let me go around to the other one. Right, just get this out of the way. Okay, so you can see it compared to that one. Yeah, if I just shoot over here, a lot brighter, a lot cleaner. I think it shows a bit more better in person. So we're going to be doing all this and all that and the whole lot, and then I'll give you a final walkover, guys. Okay, a lot of work to do here, but you get the gist of it. Let me run around the other side again. Okay, looking a lot cleaner as opposed to that. But like I said, I'll give you a rundown. You can check all the door cards. It can be used in all these door cards. Anything that's, you know, even plastic, vinyl, dashboard. So I'm going to be doing the whole car, and then I'll give you my verdict. So yeah guys, see you in a bit. Right guys, so that I've just done that. Do you know, it feels so much cleaner as well. You'll be able to see it probably better when I pull it out in the light, because there's not that much light in here. So I'm going to do the dash, front seat, back seat, smart arm, back seat, and then yeah, give you a walk around. Okay guys, so that's the front seat done. You got too many shadows here, so it's hard to show you properly, but that's like high miles, so much better. I haven't done a door card yet, but these two seats done, center console's done, that side door card's done. I'm gonna pull it into the light once the whole car's sorted. It doesn't even take that long guys, that's the thing, that's the beauty about it, right? Literally spray, 2 minutes and wipe off. So I've only been at it like half an hour now, and literally the front of the car is done, and you can see a massive amount of difference on it. It's unbelievable. But yeah, overall so far so good. Okay guys, we're in the light now again, right? Don't include that because that's actual wear, so I'm going to try and get the same kind of a creamy colour and then sort that out. But let me get a close up. Yeah, it's still a little bit in the grain, but it's a hell of a lot more better. If you look at the back, it has come out nice. It has come out very nice. Not too disappointed with it at all. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'll show you the rest of the car. It's black on black at the moment. Not keen on that, so I'm going to be refurbing the wheels. Pretty clean. So yeah, that's it guys. Until the next one, please like and subscribe. As always, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Take care.